Hello class, welcome to the fifth video. Now, in this video, we will look at the cleansing action of soap and detergent. Cleansing action means how the soap and detergent clean the dirty clothes. As you see, there's quite long paragraph. Never mind, I underline the important point. The first one, when the question asks you to describe the mechanism of the cleansing action of soap and detergent, first sentence, you may write, you just look at the question, whether the question mentioned about soap or detergent. If mentioned about the detergent, just write, detergent reduce the surface tension of water. You score 1 mark for this sentence. And the second sentence, the hydrophobic part of detergent and ion. You must come with detergent and ion. The hydrophobic part of detergent and ion dissolve in grease. This one is the second sentence and which brings you second mark. And the third sentence, the hydrophilic part of detergent and ion. The hydrophilic part of detergent and ion dissolve in water. Dissolve in water. This sentence brings you the third mark. And the next sentence, mechanical agitation. 搓，你洗衣服要搓的。Mechanical agitation will helps pull the grease free. The grease first which attached to the cloth. 那个污迹，那个肮脏的东西，首先它是粘在那个布上面的。现在你搓它，这一个 grease， 这一个污迹，它就会被拔起来，从那个布上面被拔了起来。Pull the grease free from the cloth and break the grease into smaller droplets. 原本那个污迹是大块的，现在你这样子搓，它那个污迹从那个布上面拖出来，然后会变小块。Next sentence, these smaller droplets are suspended in water, forming an emulsion. This is the last sentence. So next, calculate first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So here, totally 5 marks. Next, this kind of question might come up in the part of essay. The essay which brings you 5 marks or 6 marks for this question. The next one, this is the diagram show what is the meaning of break into smaller droplet. Firstly, quite large in size. After the agitation movement, will break down into the smaller droplet. You see the hydrophobic part of detergent and ion or soap and ion dissolve in grease. You see the hydrophobic part fully dissolved in grease. And the head is hydrophilic part dissolved in water. And this one is the cloth. 那块布，肮脏的布。Next one. Here is the diagram shows the process of cleansing action. Next, you see the tail. The tail must be fully dissolved in the grease. And this one, the agitation pull the grease away from the cloth. And next one will break the grease into smaller droplets. And the smaller droplet suspended in water and form emulsion. What is the meaning of emulsion? Emulsion means the mixing of water and oil, because grease is made up of oil. The mixing of water and oil is known as emulsion. Next one, this one is the question and you need to draw. Draw a label diagram to show the solubility of both parts of the soap in the water and the grease stain on clothes. What are the both parts of the soap? Yes, the head and the tail, the hydrophilic part and the hydrophobic part. You need to label on your diagram. Let's see how to draw a complete diagram, which brings you 2 marks. See here, first one, you draw and label cloth. Compulsory, the cloth must label. And next, on the surface of cloth, there's the grease stain, and you draw a line, label grease. And next, you must add water. How to draw water? Dash line. Must put the dash line and draw a line to label as water. And next, the both parts of soap and iron, the head and the tail. You see the tail which is labeled as hydrophobic part must fully dissolve in grease, and the head dissolve in water. That means the head must be outside the grease stain. So, how to give you 2 marks? The first one, label. You must label cloth, grease, water, hydrophilic part and hydrophobic part correctly. And your label brings you 1 mark. And the next one, functional. What is the meaning of functional? You must draw dash line to represent the water, and your tail must fully immerse inside the grease. If you draw like this, reject, you will lose 1 mark. So this is your homework for this video. Draw this diagram inside your buku latihan. I think this is the end for this 5th video. Hope you guys enjoy learning by yourself at home.